phone to monitor a health condition, or when teachers want them to be used for a classroom activity. For many couples going through fertility programs, the road to parenthood can be a long and difficult path. But a program at the Mater Hospital is delivering positive results just by going back to basics.
At 5 weeks old, little Bridie wouldn't have a clue how hard it's been for her parents to finally hold her in their arms. After years of trying to fall pregnant, Katrina and Chris sought out Mater's Fertility Service, and time was of the essence.
I had previously to that had some precancerous cells in my cervix, and they wanted to do a hysterectomy once I'd had my family.
For the past 7 years, Dr. Luke McClendon and a team of researchers have been studying common issues around fertility. And while they're keeping the results a closely guarded secret for now, they're confident of changing lives.
We're reassured by the figures and we're excited by them, and so in time, once we've validated all our findings, then we'll definitely expose them.
For 28 years, Golden Casket has helped fund Mater's work, today donating $500,000 to rewarding work like this.
So having funding partners who can actually stay with us through the course of the work that Luke and his team are doing is particularly important.
And when positive news comes through,
it goes right around the office and it keeps us all going, spurs us on, because it's tough work for us as clinicians as well, because we're facing this day in, day out.
Amazing. It's yes, it's changed our lives. Beautiful, baby girl, and we're just a very happy little family at the moment.
The Fertility Service is available to the general public by referral from a GP. Pippa Sheehan for 10 News First.
Sleepy little puppy.
Very
cute.
Yeah.
Sport time now, Jono. What a win by the Aussies overnight.